So they want us to add these two rational expressions. But in order to add, they have to be like. They have to be the same, and these are obviously not the same. 2 of these things do not go together with 9 of these things. So we need to simplify first. If you make sure they're simplified, then we're going to expect these two to go together. So let's look at this first term. I have square root of 3. I can't take that out. But I have the square root of x to the third. Now I know that 2 underneath will give me 1 on the outside. So let me rewrite this as 9 square root of 3 square root of x squared and then the square root of x. Okay, so the reason I separated these two x's from this one x, is because I know the square root of x squared, which is just x. So in my next step, I'm going to have 9x square root of 3x. Okay, now this first term is now simplified. There's nothing else I can take out of that radical. Let's look at the second term. Now I have 2x square root of 75x. Well, I only have 1x, so I can't take any out. But what about the square root of 75? Now, while I don't know the square root of 75, it's not here, I do know the square root of 25, which is 5. So this now is going to be 2x square root of 25 square root of 3x. Okay, so all I did was I separated the 25 from the 3. 25 times 3, which was 75. And the reason I did that is because I know the square root of 25 is 5. So now this is going to be 2 times x times 5 times square root of 3x. And I can multiply the 2 times the 5. All right, 2 times x times 5 is going to be 2 times 5 is 10. So now I have 9x square root of 3x plus 10x square root of 3x. Now look at that. Once I simplified this first term, and then I simplified the second term, now I have like terms that will go together. I have 9x squared of 3x plus 10x squared of 3x, and that will give me 19x squared of 3x.